Welcome to the PowerPanel Enterprise installation tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to install, configure, and start the PowerPanel Enterprise software. Before the installation, there are some prerequisites. First, prepare a server with the Windows Server 2012 R2 operating system. Next, please ensure the MS SQL Server 2012 and IIS have been installed on the server. Open the MS SQL Server and make sure the MS SQL Server is connected properly. Open a web browser to test if the IIS server is working properly. Now, we can start the installation. Go to the desktop and double-click the PowerPanel Enterprise Basic Windows Server v0.8 icon to run the installation. The installer will install web applications and 3 application programs on this server. Click Run to proceed. Click Next to start the setup wizard. Enter the domain name, user account and password of this web server. And click Next. Enter the database IP address, SA level account and password to create the database. The credentials are only used for database creation and would not be stored or used by the PowerPanel Enterprise. Then, click Next. Enter the account and password of the database owner, for the PowerPanel Enterprise to access the database. And click Next. Change the folder path to install the PowerPanel Enterprise applications. And click Next. Click Next to confirm and start the installation. It may take up to 5 minutes to complete the installation. Once the PowerPanel Enterprise is successfully installed on the server, close the window, and you can see 3 application shortcuts installed on the desktop. Open the IIS Manager to configure the web application settings. Click Application Pools. Select Default App Pool, and click Advanced Settings. Set Enable 32-bit application to True. And click OK to close the window. Open the web browser to launch the PowerPanel Enterprise system. Enter the default account and password to log on to the system. The default account and password are admin. Click Login. After login, you must change the default password immediately. And use the new password to log in again. If you already have a SMTP server for alert mail program to send the email alerts, go to the Setting drop-down menu, and under Alarm, select SMTP server. Enter the information of the SMTP server. And click Save. Now, the installation is complete, and you can start to use the PowerPanel Enterprise system. Go to the desktop to start the data loader and alert mail program. Double-click the alert mail icon to run the program. Double-click the data loader icon to run the program. And click Run Now. Make sure data loader and alert mail programs are always running. or the PowerPanel Enterprise will not receive device data and cannot send email alerts. Now, the PowerPanel Enterprise is up and running.